Hey there, folks. Zach Smith, Pest Dude, doing a voiceover on a Reddit post that I thought was pretty outstanding because this is where a lot of people get ant control right or get ant control wrong. And case in point, these are two Taro liquid ant bait stations. They work. People say they don't. Here's probably why they don't work for you when you think they don't. This user has been seeing the ants feeding from these bait stations for up to 24 hours. That means good things. That means it's a big old colony, and that means the ants are bringing a lot of it home. The more they bring home, the more they're going to kill their own colony. The active ingredient in this stuff is toxic to ants, and it's not going to kill them today. It's going to kill them slowly over time. Give these ants a few days to feed. If you get quick results, it's probably not long-lasting results. You want to give these ants lots of time to feed. Now, one of the tricks some people like is they call bait and switch. You can, in the right circumstances where it's safe, apply a non-repellent insecticidal spray like Alpine WSG or one of the similar products. And that trail, you can spray that trail, and they will bring back not only the active ingredient in the taro, but the active ingredient in the Alpine WSG. So that's a little more advanced, and not really, this is not the circumstance I would use that here on this countertop, but if they're perhaps trailing outside, it's a cool double whammy. So anyway, here at the Pest Dude, we want to show you some things that work, some things that don't work, and most importantly, why it works or not. All right, folks, take care.